IPL mo?
Okay naman.
MVP numbers on second, third?
Second round?
No, ilang year mo na?
My second year.
Second year doon, I mean, Mithril team last year.
Mm.
Now putting up great numbers. What has changed with
Siguro, mas yung may second year, mas alam ko na yung sistema ng the way they play, especially the way they play defense. So I kind of figure out ano yung mga spots ko. Tapos, siguro yung teammates ko, mas tiwala sila sa akin this season. They encouraging me to take more shots and do more plays for the team.
medyo mas do you feel like you're navigating that situation better given na nung nasa UAP ka, part of a winning team, Japan, same din naman kahit hindi sila nakakalaro, and then yun nga, number 1 kayo ngayon, so kumbaga hindi na familiar yung pressure sa'yo?
Meron pa rin, pero kasi yun nga, I'm used to it na eh, like the culture of winning. Like since high school ako under kay Coach Goldwyn Monteverde. Like I know how to win. Like alam ko paano manalo or paano magtrabaho para manalo. So I'm fortunate lang din na napupunta ako sa team na may winning culture. So yun, I'm just blessed na napupunta ako sa mga ganung team.
Second year in Korea, does that help na parang kahit sinong kalaban mo, may Pilipino kang kalaban?
Oh, syempre, especially, di ba, pag mag-isa ka sa ibang bansa, pag nakita mo kababayan mo, yung interaction nyo, malaking bagay rin yun eh. So, yun, and then, magkukwentuhan kami, paano maglaro dito, so malaking bagay rin yun.
Punta tayo sa Gilas, Carl. Obviously, you're one of the young guys here, but nadadagdagan tayo ng malaki. Obviously, you have you, Kai, KQ. Ngayon may QMB na nadagdag. How big, literally, is that help for you na yung ceiling natin lumalaki?
Siyempre, malaking bagay kasi especially international ball, kailangan mo yung bigs na kaya dumipensa, which is QMB is very capable of doing it. Kai, pagbalik ni Kai, kaya ko mag-stretch ng floor. So, hopefully yung team namin, yung young players, KQ, slowly, pag ilang years na, pag tumatanda na kami, hopefully yung chemistry namin, yung pag sama-sama lang kami hanggang, alam mo yun, next World Cup or I think malaking bagay yun.
And parang gano'ng kalaking bagay lang din. Nagbibuild na kayo ng chemistry along with the front court. Kasi medyo mahirap yung like dynamic, di ba? Kung bago-bago pa.
Ano na?
Parang gano'ng kadali para sa team or parang gano'ng nakakatulong sa team yung magkaroon ng dynamic chemistry na doon sa front court. Tulad ni KQ, tapos ngayon pumasok na si QMB. Kasi moving forward, kayo na rin yung makakasama.
Malaking bagay syempre kasi yun nga, tulad nga sabi ko sa international, you're playing against big, fast players. So sila QMB, I think in few years madidevelop pa kami. I think we're so much room to improve as a young player. So hopefully ma-represent namin yung country the next few years na alam mo yun, maging competitive tayo internationally.
And ito mga kuya mo, like anong mga biggest lessons na impart mo?
Madami. Siyempre, on and off the court, they're advising me a lot of stuff. But sila Kuya Junmar, pagiging patient sa court, pagiging smart player sa court, pagiging physical, malaking bagay yun yung mga tinuturo nila sa amin. Especially sila Scotty. Outside the court din, yung mga paano makitungo sa tao, paano maging... So, those are the things that I'd learned from them.